Tower, ATIS information, Echo, time 1653 Zulu, wind variable at 3, visibility 10, sky conditions, few clouds 3,300, scatter 4,700, temperature 31, dew point 24, altimeter 3006, visual approach runway 29 in use, under contact advise you have information, Echo.
Gainesville ground, Skyhawk 1416 Whiskey, University Air Center, requesting closed traffic with information Echo.
Or 1416 Whiskey, Gainesville ground, runway 25, taxi via taxiway Alpha Bravo.
Taxi 25 via Alpha Bravo, 1416 Whiskey. Alright, my taxi light is coming on, I'm going to check my brakes. Brakes are good, wind is coming, it's variable at 3, so I'm just going to have to look at the windsock over there. It's coming from my right. Go into the run-up area. Alright, straighten out the nose wheel a little bit. Looks good, taxi light's coming off. Forward takeoff checklist, brakes are set, seat belts are good, seats are good, standby flight instruments are all set. Mixture is rich, fuel selector is on both, throttling to 1800. There's 18, I'm going to check the left mag. There's 100 RPM, back to both. Right mag, there's 100 RPM, back to both. Everything's in the green, no annunciators are shown, I'm checking idle. Everything's still in the green, no annunciators are shown, going back to about 1,000. Alright, autopilot is disengaged, cabin power is off, flaps are set at 10. We'll do a short field takeoff. Emergency briefing. If I have any problems before I rotate, I'm staying on the ground. If I rotate and I'm below 1,000 feet, I'm landing straight ahead in that field out there. If I'm above 1,000 feet, I'll be able to turn back around and land at the airport. And there's our short field takeoff. Climbing at 62. Lowering the nose, accelerating through 65. Bring the flaps up. And then I'm pitching for VY 74.
866 Kilo Alpha, instruments Golf Romeo Delta with Delta.
Alright, 866 Kilo Alpha, gains ground clear to Golf
now I'm
Romeo
going to
Delta
tower.
Airport.
Verify I'm on tower 119.55, I am. Give him a call. Gainesville Tower, Skyhawk 1416 Whiskey, holding short, runway 25.
Skyhawk 1416 Whiskey, make right traffic. Runway 25, clear for takeoff.
Runway 25, clear for takeoff, right traffic for 1416 Whiskey. Alright, all my lights are coming on. Do a little check. Everything looks good. Gonna close my door. Might fly out. Check this door so I really don't fly out. Alright, we're going to do a short field takeoff, so I'm going to use as much runway as I can. Alright, we are centered up on the runway. I am holding the brakes. I'm applying full power, making sure engine's all in the green. It is. Letting off those brakes. Engine's still looking good. We're all in the green. A little bit of right rudder. Airspeed is coming alive. Rotate at 55. Wants to come off early. I'm going to let it. Climbing at 62. Alright, we are clear of the obstacles. I can lower the nose, accelerate through 65. Flaps are coming up. Setting the nose at 10 degrees. which will give us about 74. Engine's still on the green, we're looking good. About 800 feet, I'll make my right traffic. There's 800. Coming up on 1200, which is my pattern altitude. Level off, pull out the power a little bit. I can see the runway I'm about to land on right there. Runway 25. This is called our downwind. I'm right at 90. I can pull back the power about 21 RPM.
Gainesville Tower, Sky was 3079. We're on a right downwind for runway 29er visual to send out 2.5. Howdy.
Skywest 3079, Gainesville Tower, good afternoon. Just report turn to base 29.
Wilco, Skywest 3079. Skywest 3079, turning base.
Skywest 307929, clear to land.
Runway 29, clear to land, Skywest 3079.
Gainesville Tower, Skyhawk 1416 Whiskey, right downwind, runway 25.
Cessna 16 switch, clear touch and go 25.
Clear touch and go, 25, 1416 Whiskey. Alright, bringing back the power, letting the nose drop, we're below 110, flaps are going 10. Pushing the nose down so we don't come up. About 500 feet a minute. Turning base. Little bit of left rudder, keep the nose down. Alright, we're looking good. We're below 85, so flaps are going to 20. Alright, and we're final. Turned a little bit early, but that's alright.
Gainesville Tower, Skyhawk 7776 off 10 miles north with Echo inbound for a full stop taxi back.
That's 76 Golf, report 2 mile right base runway 25.
2 mile right base 2576 Golf.
Wind variable at 4, altimeter 3004.
I want my airspeed at 65. I can pull the nose up just a tad, bleed off that airspeed. Flaps are now full.
86 kilo alpha is ready at 29er.
Golden Eagle 866 kilo off against our hold short 29.
Holding short.
'61 looks good. Give it just a little bit more. All right, pulling the power out. All right, looks good. Flaps are coming up.
Skywest 379, if you can reduce it a little bit there, I want to get one departure out prior to your up.
We're at our slowest practical now, Skywest 3079.
Roger. Golden Eagle 866 kilo alpha runway 29er, fly runway heading, maintain 3000, clear for takeoff. Traffic is an RJ, 5 mile final.
Roger, we are runway heading to 3, cleared to go 29er kilo alpha.
Cessna 16 Whiskey, stand up wind.
Stand staying upwind for 1416 Whiskey.
Cessna 16 Whiskey, you can start left crosswind, make left traffic.
Left crosswind for 1416 Whiskey.
Traffic, regional jet, 3 mile final, 29er. Golden Eagle 6 Kilo Alpha, contact Jacksonville departure, we'll see you.
Alright, we're at 1200 on our downwind. I want to see about 90. I can pull that RPM back to about 21. Gainesville Tower, Skyhawk 1416 Whiskey, left downwind, runway 25.
Cessna 16 Whiskey, clear touch and go, runway 25.
Clear touch and go, runway 25, 1416 Whiskey. Tower's coming about 18, nose is dropping, we're below 110, flaps are 10.
Skywest 3079, turn left.
Getting about 500 feet a minute.
Alright, Echo 4, Echo with you, Skywest 3079.
Alright, we're right at 80, we're below 85, flaps are 20. Turning final. We'll make this one a soft field landing. Last one was a short field, we'll do this one a soft field. We're just a little bit high. I'm looking at the PAPI lights. I see 3 white, 1 red. I want to see 2 white, 2 red, just like that. Be able to add just a little bit more power, about 16 or so. So we stop the drop. Flaps are full. I want to see. I want to see 65 on the airspeed. I'm at 68. 67, 65, there it is.
That's 16 Whiskey, be right traffic.
Right traffic, 16 Whiskey. There's 1200, pulling the power back about 21.
It's 16 Whiskey, number 2, follow company traffic on the right base to final.
Traffic in sight, number 2, runway 25, 1416 Whiskey.
This is 16 Whiskey, number 2, runway 25, clear, touch and go.
Clear, touch and go, Skyhawk 1416 Whiskey.
Alright, we are being the numbers. We're at 1200, altitude is 1200, pulling back the power. Below 110, flaps are 10, getting that 500 feet a minute descent. See the traffic right there, about 45 degrees. I'll wait until they pass my right wing, start my base. Alright, there they are, right my right wing, turning base. This will probably be a go around. Anyways, I'll get in there 20. I don't like how close he is to, I don't like how close I am to him, but let's see where he lands. Maybe we'll be able to land. Beyond, oh yeah, definitely. Darn, they touched down right there on the piano keys.
So step 6 Golf, turn right, Charlie, taxi, Charlie, Alpha, Delta to runway 25.
Charlie Alpha Delta to 2576 Golf. Gainesville Tower, Skyhawk 7776 Golf, holding short 25, and this one will be a full stop.
7776 Golf, runway 25, clear for takeoff, right traffic.
5 clear for takeoff, right traffic, 76 Golf.
trim a little bit, bring back power because we were at 110, which is pretty quick.
Gainesville Tower, Skyhawk 1416 Whiskey, right downwind, runway 25, this will be a full stop.
Cessna 16 Whiskey, runway 25, clear, touch and go.
This will be a full stop for 1416 Whiskey.
Roger.
Clear to land, runway 25, 16 Whiskey.
Alright, this is short, pretty cool, coming in high. We are really high and we are really short. So once I finish turning final, bring in that last stage of flaps. Flaps are full. And I can bring the throttle back a lot, just looking at the airspeed. Looking like it'll be pretty good. Do a little slip. We're coming down nice, I don't think I'll have to. Alright, flaps are coming up.
Gainesville Tower, Skyhawk 1416 Whiskey, clear of runway 25, request taxi back to parking.
Cessna 16 Whiskey, taxi via Charlie Alpha to park.
Taxi Charlie Alpha to parking, Skyhawk 1416 Whiskey.
76 Golf, understand a couple more touch and goes.
Yes, sir.
Over 76 Golf, 25, clear touch and go, right traffic.
25, clear touch and go, right traffic, 76 Golf.